Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 10 on your computer. To create a bootable USB drive, we'll be using a tool called Rufus. You can download Rufus from their official website. Once you have Rufus downloaded and installed, follow these steps. Insert your USB drive into your computer's USB port. Open Rufus. In the device drop-down, select your USB drive. For boot selection, click on Select and choose the Windows 10 ISO file that you downloaded from the Microsoft website. Don't change other settings. And click on Start button. Now, insert the USB drive and restart your computer. The Windows 11 installation process will begin. Click Install now to begin the installation. You'll be asked to enter your product key if required. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll have two options. Let's choose Custom for this tutorial. Select the partition where you want to install Windows 10 and click Next. If needed, you can format or delete partitions in this step. Windows 10 will now start installing on the selected partition. This might take some time, so sit back and relax. After the installation is complete, your computer will restart. Follow the on-screen prompts to personalize your Windows 10 settings. This includes things like choosing a computer name, creating or logging in with a Microsoft account, and customizing privacy settings. Once you're in, make sure to check for and install any available Windows updates to ensure your system is up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Windows 10 on your computer. If you ever need assistance or want to explore more features, Microsoft's official website and support resources are great places to start. Thanks for watching and happy computing!